Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this beauty right here, the Blue Hawaiian. As you can tell, it makes quite a mess, but hey, you know what? This is my third one. Let's jump right to this video. Like I said, one sip of this, maybe half of it, maybe the whole thing might take you to some tropical island you always wanted to visit. So I'm already there, even though I'm not really there, you know what I mean? Alright guys, first things first, we're gonna separate our shaker and our cup, and then we're gonna need our rum. I use Bacardi, it's cheaper, and you know, if you get something more expensive, it's not really gonna taste it in a drink anyways, you know? It is a mixed drink, so you're gonna need an ounce. And then half an ounce as well. Some people just use 1 ounce, but like mine's a little bit more on the strong side, so I use an ounce and a half of this. Then you're gonna need this, some cream of coconut. I usually use Coco Lopez, but they didn't have it, and I got this one, you know, next option. It's not my favorite, but you know what you're gonna do, it is what it is, you guys. So, another ounce of this, bam, drop it in there. It's a lot of sugar, I wouldn't drink too many of these, you know, especially if you're not trying to get diabetes from one drink. Then you're gonna need Blue Curacao. You can get more expensive one, more in the high end, but I just went with this, is what they had at Fry's, so went with it. I actually do use this one quite a bit, so you're gonna need an ounce of this. Bam. And then after that, the final step, well not final step, but the final ingredient is some pineapple juice. And not just your typical, we use organic, really good, flavorful. And remember guys, it's gonna be 2 ounces, so it does impact the flavor and everything. So you are gonna want some good pineapple juice. So 2 ounces of this right here. Bam, drop it right in. And now that you got all your ingredients in this container right here, you're gonna want some ice in this cup. All right, there's the ice. Put it in here. Remember guys, you're gonna wanna shake this shit like you gotta go to the ice cream man. You're gonna want some change out of here. So 15 times to do the trick. All right, just break the seal. Bam, and now I just need my cup of ice. All right, and now, fuck. Put it on this one, it'll be easier. I don't have the other freaking strainer. It's currently in the freaking dishwasher. But I just gotta want to strain it. Put it in this, look at that beauty right there. Bam, beautiful. You're gonna get it. Now all this beautiful drink needs is a garnish. So that's what we have, this freaking pineapple over here. So that's what we're gonna do. All right guys, so basically we messed up a whole freaking pineapple. I don't know if you guys can see that shit in the camera. The whole pineapple just for this little square. But Miguel loves pineapple, so he's gonna fuck it up later on with some tajin. Got some, if he doesn't have one, I have some tajin in the car, always in the run, you know? And now what you need, some cherries. Oh, they're actually right here. So you get some cherries, bam. Get a little freaking umbrella, you know? Boom, freaking umbrella. Here. See? Open that thing up, bam. Poke that right in there. Bam, look at that. Freaking beauty right there. That looks delicious. And now, all I need is a freaking straw. So bam, I got one right here too. And then what we're gonna do, you guys, is like take a quick sip of this. Man, it takes you to freaking Bahamas, freaking Hawaii. Never been there and shit, but I feel like I'm already traveling over there, you guys. Maybe if I drink the whole thing or maybe half, I'll be right over there. All right guys, thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what, you guys? Have a good night, take care. Maybe it's morning over there, it's night over here. I'll drink the rest of this drink, you know, I'm gonna enjoy it. Guys, you gotta get your hands in this. Make yourself one. Another very important ingredient you're gonna want. Fix it, Miguel. Bro, fucking eyes are gonna be melted already. I said, pura pinche agua. I want the fucking strainer. I said, pura pinche agua. Why strain it if there's no more fucking after so many shots? Take number fucking 20. Take number fucking 20.
So it's good that you didn't bring the actual strainer. You don't even need it.
I don't fucking need it. Fucking Dunkin' pour, motherfuckers. That's it. And now all I need is my freaking glass with ice. Let's move this shit out of the way, you know, fuck it up. Bam. This over here, that freaking pineapple. Bam, put one of these motherfuckers. There you go. And that's it. I'm just kidding.